Hi, my name is Jessica Davenport. I'm the cosmetology teacher at the Afton campus. First year students learn the basic skills of cosmetology, of the hair, the nails, and the skin. And then when they come back for their second year, we relearn all of that again. And we do a lot of work on clientele too, so they get a lot of one-on-one with people. They will learn how to do acrylic nails, how to do a basic manicure and pedicure. They will learn how to do haircuts, hair coloring, foiling. They will also learn some of the aesthetics, the waxing, facials.
What influenced me to come to Northeast Tech would be coming on my 8th grade and sophomore tours. I got to see all of the hand-on activities that they do and hearing great reviews from people that came here in the past and seeing how they have successful careers from coming to Northeast Tech. My plans after Northeast Tech are to become a hairstylist, work in a salon throughout college. This program has most definitely prepared me for my chosen career path because I've gotten so much hands-on experience and real-life experience. We take clients every week, so I get to deal with the public.
So I do have several students that already have their goals in mind. Some of them's going to go to college while working in cosmetology. Others, their family have the business already, their mothers and grandmothers, and so they're gonna fall right into their business and take that over.
Having my license in college will provide me to be able to work in a salon and work with clients and just broaden my career opportunities, so that way after college I'm already out there in the field and I already have clients waiting for me.
A freshman or sophomore that's looking to join our program, I would tell them it's a great opportunity. We have a great program. We have a wonderful facility. It is very nice. If you haven't got to see it, you're welcome to come out and see it. There's not too many programs that you can go and learn while you're in high school and graduate and be able to go to work.
It's a great opportunity. It's a beautiful campus. You learn so much in such a little time, and you can graduate with your license once you get your hours done. It's a lot of hard work, it really is. There's a lot of book work, so you have to be dedicated. But if you are dedicated, then it's a breeze and it's super fun.